If your upper back is feeling tight, your shoulder blades ache, or your neck feels heavy, I've got 4 moves that are gonna reset your posture, and you can do them anywhere. I'm Dr. Karina Wu, a doctor of physical therapy, and in this video, I'll teach you what's happening to your upper back after hours of that prolonged sitting at your desk, and how to undo the strain with movement. And if you don't mind a little bonus content, I'll throw in some changes you can make day to day to help mitigate the issues as well. If you're stuck sitting at your desk, working on a computer, you're probably craning your head and rounding your shoulders forward, just like this. It is so easy to let yourself go when you're sitting and get into a really poor posture with desk work. For every inch forward your head sits on your torso, you're gonna increase the load in your neck by 10 pounds. That's a lot of strain. And when you round the shoulders forward on top of that, you overstretch all the supportive muscles in the upper back that control the head, the neck, and the shoulders. Don't worry about remembering everything. We've got that review worksheet that comes up at the very end of the video, so stick around, screenshot it, and save it for the future. The first exercise we're gonna do for this desk reset is the slouch overcorrect. Now, why I like to give this exercise is because it teaches you your good upright posture. And when you get into that good upright posture, it can oftentimes relieve neck and upper back and shoulder pain very quickly. So, how we're gonna do this? You are going to come a little bit forward on your chair because I need your feet flat. They can be hip or a little bit wider than hip width distance apart. So now, this is the only time a physical therapist will tell you you can slouch. I'm gonna let you slouch. So I just want you to slouch down here, just like this, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to overcorrect that posture. So I'm gonna arch my low back and arch my middle back here. It's just a slouch like this, and then an overcorrect posture like this. So when you do the slouch overcorrect, this is a series of moves, maybe 5 to 8 repetitions, in order for you to feel your whole spine moving. Now that you found your perfect posture, here's a bonus tip that's gonna keep that alignment while you work. Optimize your desk setup for a healthy spine. Keep your monitor at eye level, your wrists straight, and feet flat on the floor. That will help maintain balance all day. The next exercise that we're gonna do is scapular squeezes. So a scapular squeeze is gonna turn on the muscles that sit in between the shoulder blades, because we've now just corrected our posture, and we are combating the rounded forward posture that causes that neck, upper back, shoulder pain. Your shoulder blades sit on the rib cage. They're on the back and the top, okay? So they are right here, and a rounded forward shoulder posture means they're being pulled forward. I wanna pull them back this way. So I wanna use the muscles that sit in between the shoulder blades in the upper back. So a squeeze is just going to be squeezing the shoulder blades back. So the cues we give are, you are going to kind of open up your chest. The shoulder blades are not gonna move that much. So respect the limitations and respect the amount of motion you have. You squeeze back just like this, and then relax. So the shoulder rolls, I like to start backwards because the shoulders are going backwards, so you name it for the direction they start in. So backwards, up, and forwards. That's the backward shoulder roll. Hands are just resting on your thighs. Backwards, up, forwards, and down. Now let me demonstrate the forwards. So forwards, swing them up, swing them back, and then relax them down. Forwards, shrug them up, squeeze back and down. And now, just to note, this is another option. You can rest your hands here, or you can actually place your hands on your shoulders. So whichever one is comfortable for you, if you can feel the motions better this way, go ahead and do that. Remember, I said I'd give you a little bit of a fun tip, so you can play with speed, or you can also alternate. So if you're feeling great and you just wanna kind of roll each one individually, backwards, forwards, just have fun with it. The point is shoulder mobility. This is helpful in that desk reset for upper back and shoulder relief. You've loosened up those shoulders. Now here's a bonus tip on how to keep them from locking up again. Set an hourly alarm to break the cycle of sitting. Moving periodically will reset your posture. The last exercise for the desk reset is now a stretch. So this is going to stretch your chest here. because we've been sitting at our desk, sitting on the computer, sitting on a phone even. Everything on the front is compressed and tight and short. Everything on the back is overstretched long and also tight and uncomfortable, okay? So to get rid of that upper back and shoulder pain or stiffness, I'm gonna show you a chest stretch in sitting. So for this one, because this is a desk reset, we're just gonna do it like we're sitting at our desk. So hands are clasped behind your head here. And then what you're going to do is you're just gonna squeeze your elbows back in space. So let those shoulders sit nice and relaxed. Remember, you've got a nice tall spine, you've got your abs engaged, and you just wanna squeeze back. So your chest runs from your breastbone here all the way out across your chest here. I feel this all the way here. If you're really tight, you're gonna have a hard time pulling your elbows back. If you're not that tight and you wanna really increase it, you can also gently extend or backward bend in your middle back here. It's about arching in the back, and that'll really kind of open up from below and up. This is what it's gonna look like from the side. So I clasp my hands behind, I just try to pull them back so they should be in line with my head here, okay? If I don't feel a stretch here, I'm going to give it a little bit of extension, so a little bit of backward bending. Go into your own limits, all right? So this is static stretching, so we are giving enough time to lengthen the tissues. So we're gonna hold a minimum of 30 seconds. Now you should feel a nice opening in the front of your chest here. Try doing this reset at least once or twice a day. Use the worksheet at the end of this video as a guide. Small, consistent corrections prevent the bigger problems later, and they're also gonna help all of those aches and pains that you have. If you sit for work, your body needs movement breaks. Now, what if you're waking up with pain and stiffness before you even start your commute? Try our morning mobility routine linked in the description box below. For more pain relief and mobility videos, subscribe to Healthline. Thanks for watching.